last lecture, we discussed qualifications and disqualifications of a company auditor. We discussed that chartered accountant holding certificate of practice, having membership number, can be appointed as the statutory auditor of a company, to whom we call about company auditor. So statutory auditor of a public company, in general sense we are talking about. Now who will appoint the company auditor? Number one, the first auditor must be appointed by the board of directors within 30 days from the date of incorporation. Date of incorporation is written in the certificate of incorporation, COI. Okay? Board of directors will appoint auditor only once, that is also for the first time. And secondly, when there is a casual vacancy, that point I forgot to write, you can write down. Write down at the last point. Auditor shall be appointed at a casual vacancy by the board of directors. Casual vacancy. In case of casual vacancy, by board of directors. In case of casual vacancy. Now what is casual vacancy? The vacancy created due to death of statutory auditor within audit period, due to resignation of an audit period. Clear? If it is by resignation, then it shall be appointed by the shareholders only. If it is due to death or any other reason, then it can be filled up by board of directors. Otherwise, board will be appoint statutory auditor only once, only first auditor. Clear? Then subsequently, every year, auditor shall be appointed by only shareholders at an annual general meeting. You know, for every company it is compulsory to conduct annual general meeting at least once in a year, in which previous auditor's report shall be read out and new auditor shall be appointed by passing of resolution by shareholders. Is that clear? So only shareholders will appoint every year statutory auditor. Now, if statutory auditor is not appointed due to any reason in annual general meeting, then notice to that effect shall be forwarded by the board of directors of a public company to the central government of India. Central government means the Ministry of Company Affairs. Within 7 days, letter should be sent to them that our auditor has not been appointed. Kindly look into the matter. In that case, central government will appoint the qualified person for the post of statutory auditor for that particular company. Is that clear? After acceptance of appointment by a statutory auditor, form number ADT1 shall be signed by the auditor, board of directors, managing director, and it shall be forwarded to the registrar of companies. So that registrar comes to know who is the auditor, what is his membership number, what are his details. So registrar is the authority with whom the whole information is stored. So form number ADT1 shall be submitted. Then letter of engagement is signed by the directors as well as auditor. It should mention the audit period for which appointment is done, audit fees which are payable for a particular, what are the duties and expectations of the company from auditor in general sense. Powers and duties have been already given in the corporate law, but in letter of engagement some specification should be there so that no dispute between the company and auditor shall be there. That is what expected, and that is why letter of engagement. Okay. Then C&AG, Controller and Auditor General. See the spelling, COMPTROLLER, Controller and Auditor General. C&AG, Vishesh Mahalekha Pariksha. It is an auditing agency on central government level. C&AG audits even government, central government, all state governments, all local authorities like Pimpri-Chinchwad Municipal Corporation, Pune Municipal Corporation, Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation. Every local authority, every government, state, union territory, central, it will be audited by C&AG. So it has its regional offices for Eastern India, Southern India, Northern and Western India, through which all this audit work is done by C&AG throughout the country. C&AG is maintaining a panel of audit parties throughout the country for the purpose of auditing these authorities. So auditor for a government company shall be appointed by board of directors within 30 days, and subsequently it will be appointed by Comptroller and Auditor General every year for government company. Section 617, Old Companies Act 1956 sections, government company. What is government company? Any company in which not less than 51% of paid-up equity share capital is held by central government, state government, any union territory or any provincial government. Such company is called as government company. Public sector units like GAIL, BHEL, Bharat Petroleum, Indian Oil, ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, Bharat Heavy Electronics, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Hindustan Antibiotics Limited. What are these? These are PSUs. Because more than 51% paid-up equity share capital is held by the government. So that comes under the category of government companies. Then appointment by special resolution is required in certain cases. What is special resolution? The resolution which has been passed by not less than 3/4, means 75% of the majority of the quorum of the meeting. Then it is called as special resolution. So there are certain companies in case of which special resolution is required for appointment. Is that clear? Then in case of casual vacancy we talked about, that board of directors can fill if the reason is death or insolvency or any other reason, natural reason. If it is by resignation, then it shall be filled up by shareholders only. Is that clear? Shall I hope it is understood?
Yes.
If any question is there, you can ask any question, any doubts. That's all.